It almost sounds too easy, does it not? Yet, certain natural foods can act as quick activators for circulation, hormones, and energy, if you use them the right way. I'm Dr. Zoe Hartley, and today I'll show you a simple chewing habit that takes just 60 seconds a day and can support firmer, more reliable erections after 50. Stay with me. By the end, you'll know exactly what to chew, why it works, and how to make it part of your daily ritual. 2. Why chewing matters. First, let's talk about why chewing is so powerful. Chewing activates saliva, which contains enzymes that start breaking down food immediately. This means nutrients are absorbed faster. Chewing also signals your nervous system to wake up circulation, giving your body energy where it's needed most. For men over 50, proper chewing ensures nutrients actually fuel your body rather than passing through unused. 3. Food number 1: garlic. The first food I recommend is garlic. Garlic contains allicin, which helps blood vessels produce nitric oxide, the compound your body needs to relax vessels for better erections. Chewing a raw clove for 30 to 60 seconds activates these compounds. It also helps circulation, lowers blood pressure, and keeps arteries healthy. Even a small clove daily can improve stamina, energy, and sexual vitality over time. Optional tips. If the taste is strong, slice it in half, let it sit for a minute, or mix it with honey to make it easier to chew. 4. Food number 2: ginger. Next is ginger. Packed with antioxidants like gingerols and showgales, chewing fresh ginger relaxes blood vessels, increases blood flow, reduces inflammation, and even supports testosterone. Just a thin slice the size of your thumbnail chewed for a minute can warm your body, improve circulation, and prepare tissues for stronger, reliable erections. Ginger also supports digestion and calms the nervous system, helping reduce stress, one of the biggest enemies of performance. 5. Food number 3: walnuts. Walnuts are another excellent food. They contain arginine, which your body uses to make nitric oxide for better circulation. They're also rich in omega-3 fats, essential for testosterone production. Chewing slowly releases these nutrients, improves digestion, and over time can enhance hormone balance, energy, and sexual performance. One small handful daily is enough to see benefits. 6. How to use these foods. Start small. Pick one food, garlic, ginger, or walnuts, and chew thoroughly for about 60 seconds once a day. For garlic, 1 clove is enough. Ginger, a thin slice. Walnuts, a small handful. The key is consistency. Over weeks, you'll notice improvements in circulation, energy, and sexual vitality. Avoid overdoing it, as too much garlic or ginger can upset your stomach. 7. Lifestyle tips and warnings. Pair these foods with healthy habits. Avoid heavy alcohol, late-night overeating, or poor sleep. Alcohol dehydrates the body and lowers testosterone, while overeating slows digestion. These foods work best as part of a balanced, thoughtful routine. 8. Benefits recap. Chewing garlic, ginger, or walnuts for just 60 seconds a day can wake up circulation, support testosterone, and restore confidence in your erections. The ritual matters. Small, consistent habits unlock powerful results. These foods don't just improve sexual health. They protect your heart, reduce inflammation, balance hormones, and boost energy. Over time, you'll feel stronger, more confident, and alive. Here's your challenge. Pick one of these foods tonight and chew it slowly for 60 seconds. Do this consistently for a few weeks and see how your body responds. I'm Dr. Zoe Hartley, reminding you that your best years are not behind you. With the right habits, you can stay strong, energetic, and confident. If you found this helpful, subscribe to our channel, Dr. Zoe Hartley, for more natural, practical tips for men's health after 50. Your body is capable of more than you realize. You just need to give it the right tools.